How to create a table in Microsoft Word, complete step-by-step tutorial.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
First, open Microsoft Word from your desktop or the Start menu.
Click Blank Document to create a new document. If you already have a document, simply open it.
Click anywhere on the page where you want your table to appear.
Now move to the top of the screen and click the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, click on the Table button.
A grid will appear showing different table sizes. Move your mouse over the grid and choose the number of rows and columns you need.
For example, select 4 columns and 5 rows, then click. Your table will immediately appear in the document. Click inside any cell and start typing your information.
You can use the Tab key to move to the next cell quickly. If you need a larger table, click anywhere inside it. Open the Table Layout tab and choose Insert Above, Insert Below, Insert Left, or Insert Right to add new rows or columns. To remove a row or column, select it, click Delete, and then choose Delete Rows or Delete Columns.
To make your table look more professional, click the Table Design tab.
Choose a built-in style, change the borders, apply shading, or customize the colors. When you're finished, press Ctrl+S, or click File, then Save.
Choose a location, enter a file name, and click Save. Follow for more tech tips.